So hello friends, we are back with another video about the S9 Plus. I know it's a bit late and the Note 9 will be coming out next week, but we only got one pair of kidneys. We will try our best to come up with latest videos on new stuff, but for that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. So let's come to the spec on sheet. It has a Super AMOLED 6.2-inch Quad HD screen with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 with 529 pixel density. It comes out of the box with Android 8.0 Oreo. It comes with two kind of processors, one with Exynos 9810 and another Snapdragon 845. Both are the most high-end mobile processors available right now. One has Mali G72 GPU and another has Adreno 630 GPU. Both can handle any game at its highest given ratings. It comes in three variants: 64GB, 128GB and 256GB storage. We are reviewing the 128GB variant, not so rich, you know. This variant come on Flipkart for 64,900 Indian rupees only. It has a hybrid SIM slot which can hold up to 512GB of storage or 2 SIM card. It has that new dual camera at its back of 12 megapixel. One of the camera has an interchangeable aperture between 1.5 and 2.4. It can record up to 4K footage and has optical image stabilization. It can record slow motion of 1080p for 240 frames per second and 720p of 960 frames per second. Although you can only record for 0.3 seconds, but it's really cool, like the vids made can be really dope. The front camera is of 8 megapixel and can capture really good images. It also supports Samsung DeX, in which it becomes like a desktop and you can operate it like a desktop. It is wireless charging and has a 3500 mAh battery which can last a day with minimal use. It has this crappy version of Google Assistant known as Bixby, for which you have a separate button on phone, and it is crap version of Animoji known as Air Emoji from Samsung, which I think doesn't work for that great. Well, it has some helpful features such as if the phone is flipped down and a call comes, the edges of the phone starts to glow green, which looks pretty cool. And when songs are played using only Samsung Music, an outline color of that particular music thumbnail runs around the edges of the phone. Overall, this phone is really good if you have a good pair of kidneys or good bugs. And if you are looking for a premium phone, just go for it. This is really good for the looks it have, and it has one of the best AMOLED display and it can take really great videos. That's it for today. Peace out.